easy multiplication trick. Make sure you watch this video until the end. At the end of the video, I will reveal the easiest formula for this multiplication trick. So don't skip the video. You definitely don't want to miss it.
Have ever seen a multiplication like 47 multiply 63 and 86 multiply 74? And immediately thinking about long division, what app tell you that there is a simple cross multiplication trick that works for any two-digit number with any two-digit numbers. No special cases, no complicated formula, and you can use the same method every time. Today I will teach you this method step by step. So let's begin. First example, 47 multiply 63. We can write this expression vertically. So 47 63. Solve this by three stages. First, multiply right side digits. 7 multiply 3 equal to 21. Then multiply left side digits. 4 multiply 6 24. Now cross multiplication. 4 multiply 3 12 and 6 multiply 7 42. Now add these values. So 12 plus 42 equal to 54. So 54 right at the middle of 24 and 21. So 54. Now last step, write 1, 2 carry to the left side. So 4 plus 2 equal to 6 and 5 carry to the left. So 4 plus 5 equal to 9 and write 2. So 2961 is the correct answer. Now solve this example. 86 multiplied by 74. Multiply 6 and 4. 6 4s are 24. 8 multiply 7 equal to 56. Now cross multiply. So 4 multiply 8 equal to 32 and 7 multiply 6 42. Add these two numbers. So this is equal to 74. 74. First 24, middle is 74, last 56. Now write this 4, 2 carry, so 2 plus 4 equal to 6, 7 carry, so 6 plus 7 equal to 13, 1 carry, so 1 plus 5 equal to 6, 6364. So this is the correct answer of the given expression. Third example, 36 multiply 42, 36, 42, 6 2s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 4 6 are 24. Add these two numbers. So this is equal to 30. Last step is 3 4s are 12. Now write the answer. So 2, 1 carry, 1, 3 carry equal to 5 and 1. So 1512. 1512 is the correct answer. Why does this trick work? Let's understand the mathematics behind it. Suppose we have 36 multiply 42. 36 equal to 30 plus 6 and 2, 40 plus 2. Multiply 30 multiply 40. 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 4s are 12. 30 multiply 2. So this is equal to 60. Now 6 multiply 40 plus 6 zeros are 0, 6 4s are 12. Last 6 multiply 2. So this is equal to 12. Add these numbers. So write the answer. The cross multiplication trick simply organizes these four calculations into 3 stages. It is mathematics easier. Example 4. Write this 64 and 78. 4 8s are 32. 6 7s are 42 and multiply 6 and 8 48. 7 multiply 4 28. Sum of these two numbers is 76. Write 2, 3 carry 9, 7 carry 9 and 4. 4992 is the correct answer. The most student common mistake, they calculate the 3 stages correctly but forget the carry. But this is wrong. The correct answer is 4992. So always remember, calculate, right, carry, and move left. Move left. Now pause the video and try these yourself. Try to solve them using the 3 steps method. If you got all 4 correct, excellent. And always carry from right to left, right to left. This method works for any 2-digit number with any 2-digit number multiplication. The more you practice, the faster you will become. If you found the multiplication trick useful, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. For more easy mathematics tricks, competitive exam preparation and conceptual mathematics, stay connected with HTN Education. So this is used for 2-digit multiplication with 2-digit multiplication. AB multiply CD, 2-digit number and 2-digit number. B multiply C and A multiply B plus B multiply C. Last step is A multiply C and carry from right to left. This method works for any 2-digit number with any 2-digit number multiplication. The more you practice, the faster you will become. If you found the multiplication trick useful, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. For more easy mathematics tricks, competitive exams preparation and conceptual mathematics, stay connected with HTN Education. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with another organized math trick.